What's going on, man? It's your big brother Trenius. You tuned in again to another divine video. Don't click off this video because God got a message for you. I was just sitting in here just meditating, waiting on spirit to just give me a download. Okay. And not only that, but I think this download came because I talked to a guy yesterday who booked a session with me. And he inspired this video. And that's why I be telling y'all, if y'all book sessions with me, listen, it ain't nothing that I ain't heard before. I mean, I done heard it all these past 8 years of coaching people. Okay, so book your session with me whenever you get an opportunity to, because I'm pretty sure if you got something to talk to me about, I done heard it before. Okay, it ain't nothing new under the sun. So, you know, this young man was going through something, and I actually was really surprised that he opened up and he told me what he told me, because I don't get a lot of guys to tell me stuff like what he told me. So he was a brave, you know, courageous brother, and he actually inspired this video. So thank him. If you're watching this video, man, thank you so much. All right. By the way, if y'all wondering where I get my lava lamp and my humidifier from, just look in the products below, down there in the bottom right hand corner. You can get the same stuff that I got. All right. Anyway, but let's get down into this topic. God said, if you break your addictions, then he will give you your breakthrough, or you will receive your breakthrough. Even so much so as after this video, okay? This is how God is working on your life right now, that he put this video in front of you as a sign to say, you know why your life is not where you need to be right now. You can feel why you don't feel the way you want to feel right now. You know exactly who you are, okay? And this is a message from the Lord telling you that if you stop your addictions right now, or even after this video, going into tomorrow, going into the next day, even this week, you will start to see doors open where God is going to reward you, because you know who you are and what you need to stop doing. So God told me to tell you, he's going to reward you and show you with his mighty hand who you are, because he's going to start opening doors for you if after this video you stop these addictions that are holding your breakthrough up. All right. And that's the thing right now that's going on with you. You're going through a test of your faith right now. All right. And this is not your battle. OK, we all know that we fight not against flesh and blood, but we fight against spiritual powers, dark principalities, negative forces. OK, we fight against wickedness. But God told me to tell you this because he on your side and everybody's rooting for you. Okay, but you have to stop doing the addictions. All right. Safe to say we live in a modern day Sodom and Gomorrah. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you're not the only one that's going through the situation that you're going through. But see, there's a much higher calling on you, because you are not like everybody else. You have a very special gift. You have a very special purpose for your life. And it's like God cannot open up the doors for you because you keep dibbing and dabbing back to the addictions. And he's trying to show you and tell you that's what you need to quit, because it's breaking your spirit and it's breaking you down to the point to where you lose touch of who you are and the enemy starts to win. See, one thing you got to understand about the enemy don't fight fair. All right. The enemy is trying to take you down because he don't want you to get to your breakthrough. He don't want you to get to your throne. He don't want you to have the crown on your head. He don't want you to get the reward and get to your destiny. So the enemy don't fight fair. So when I say addictions, I mean that thing that you having a hard time with, and it's your weakest point. All right. You might be a strong-minded person, but you still dealing with this addiction. All right. You might be super educated, but you still dealing with this addiction. You might be a person of faith, have a great measure of faith and belief in yourself, but you still dealing with this addiction. You might have stopped this addiction and went a few days without dipping and dabbing in this addiction, but you still dipping and dabbing in the addiction. And God is telling me to tell you, now is the time where you have to draw the line in the sand, because chances are getting very, very scarce and slim, okay? The enemy is on you. The enemy is clocking you. The enemy is watching you, okay? And one thing the enemy like to do is, see, the enemy will use people around you too, okay? The enemy use people around you who you might think it might just be my friend, or it might just be somebody who I just met at the park. Oh, this is just somebody, this girl I just met at the store. You know, and they want to network with me. They want to hang out with me. They want to call and be my friend. This person want to be bestie. That's what it looked like with two eyes. But with spiritual eyes, it could be a setup from the enemy, because, see, the enemy knows you. Okay, the enemy knows you. Just like God knows you, the enemy knows you, and the enemy knows how to infiltrate you. Okay, see, I'm not bringing light on the enemy. I'm exposing the enemy so you will know what it looked like when it happens, or when you come in contact with the enemy and the devices that the enemy have that's aimed towards you. The enemy is meticulous, okay? Very, very meticulous on how he attacks you, all right? The enemy ain't no fool. But the enemy didn't win the battle. The battle has already been won through Jesus Christ. The battle is already yours. You know it's already yours. That's the funny thing about it. You know you gonna win. That's the crazy thing about it. You know that you are stronger than the addiction. That is the weird thing about it. So how could you continuously let this addiction, be the part of you that you cannot get straight in order to get to the breakthrough? Because there's a breakthrough that's waiting right at the door. Right there at the door. And I don't know what your addiction is. I don't know. It could be anything. I'm not going to go into naming addictions, but you know what I'm talking about. And I know I'm talking to you. Okay? You got to stop, man. Boo, you gotta stop it. Okay? You can't go no longer, man. This, because it's what it is doing. It's putting a hold on divine timing. Okay, there are so many blessings that's waiting to just storm you. So many opportunities that's waiting to just come into your life. There are so many doors that's already unlocked, but you got to turn the knob and walk through by stopping the addictions. You can't get to the other side. You can't get to your breakthrough dirty. That's like you letting somebody sit in your brand new car and you just got it cleaned up and detailed and they dirty. You're not going to let them get in the car and they smell stank, or they got grass all on their pants. You're not going to let them do it. You're going to say, hey, you can't ride with me today. You got to go get some new clothes on or something. Same thing about your crib. If you got nice carpet, ain't no way you going to come and let somebody trample all on your carpet and their shoes got dirt and mud on them. You just not going to let them inside the house like that. That's how God sees you. God like, wait a minute. Hold on. I know you cleaner than that. I know you better than that. And I know I've been with you, riding with you this whole time. I've been making sure you stay safe. I've been feeding you. I've been providing for you. I've been getting you through the addiction time after time after time again. But you keep going backwards and I'm pulling you forward. You have to stay in front. You have to stay ahead. And like I said, you ain't the only one. I'm pretty sure there's many people out there that's dealing with a vice or something that they have a hard time stopping. As a matter of fact, most people who are really strung out and addicted to stuff are some of the smartest, most chosen, people ever. Have you ever talked to somebody who was considered a drug addict, or somebody who was considered an alcoholic, or, you know, they addicted to something, whatever it is, and you talk to them? They are the most wisest people ever. They are some of the most smartest, the most wisest people ever, is when you talk to people that are like so strung out. They'll tell you all about life. They'll tell you about things about God that you didn't even know. How is that? Why is that? Why did Whitney Houston have to go out like that? Because if you choose sin over God, it ain't no other way to go. Okay? If you choose your addiction over the path that God has you set on, it ain't nothing else he can really do. Because you will be robbed of all of your zest and all of your zeal. God will take it away. That's why I'm telling you, now is the time to straighten up and fly right and to sharpen up. You got to do it right now. And even after this video is over, because there's a line being drawn, and God is saying it's now or it's never. All right. This the last warning. This the last straw. God saying, listen, I got things to do. I got people who want your position, and they begging for your position, and they ready for your position. And if you don't pass this test, then you won't be blessed. That's the deal God made. Okay. So, and don't feel discouraged. Don't let this message harm you emotionally. Don't let my words make you feel bad. But this is just a warning. Okay. This is just a sign to let you know that you're doing good. And the breakthrough is just right there. Great things are right around the corner. But God cannot let you receive the breakthrough if you dirty. In order to receive the breakthrough, you have to be in the highest vibration. You have to be who you already are, which is a pure-hearted, golden-hearted, soulful person. Okay? You have to be so happy and just so Christ-like in order to receive a breakthrough like that. Okay? Because the breakthrough is attracted to your level of energy. And if your energy's still down here because you letting the addictions take away your spirit and take away your happiness and your pride in yourself and your gratitude, you're not going to get the breakthrough. Okay? Now, I'm warning you, because even after this video, I feel like temptation is going to get that much more worse. All right? Perversion is going to get that much more worse. Your vice or whatever you do that you're dealing with, that you know you need to stop doing, is going to get that much more enticing to where you want to do it even more now after this video, because that's how the enemy works. The enemy gonna put it right in front of you tomorrow or the next day or the next hour and say, do you still want a slice of this pie versus what God have to offer? I can give you this. God just giving you that. But see, you can't see what God got for you until you show him your faith. Okay? He will, until your faith is approved, God will open up the floodgates of heaven. He'll start blessing you with things that you couldn't even do on your own. You couldn't even see that it was there, because God, that's how God works. But see, the enemy, he'll try to give you stuff right now. He'll give you a happy meal. He'll give you the quick thing, the quick shot of this, the quick shot of that. Yeah, you feel good, don't you? You feel euphoric. You feel happy again. But it's really depleting you. It's really draining you. It's really making you feel like lesser than your true self. You don't feel great. But you will feel great if you believe these words in this video, and if after this video you start embarking on not doing the addictions, not doing the thing that you know you're not supposed to be doing. When you stop doing it and you start walking into the light, when you start walking onto the path that God wants you to walk on, I can guarantee you, God already said it. He said, if you do it, tomorrow good, the next day be good, the next day after that, you getting approved. You might see breakthroughs just that fast. But you got to be serious. Somebody comment below and say, I'm breaking this addiction. We don't need to know what it is, but we know everybody got something. Okay, comment below it right now and say, I'm breaking this addiction. I want you to write it out. If you got to make 2 comments, I want you to write it in stone at the bottom of the comments. I want you to write it all out right now. Because I'm telling you, you marking a time in your life right now where you're going to look back on this moment. You're going to remember this video too. You're going to say, man, that was the day that I stopped doing what I was supposed to be doing. And I want you to write it down in the bottom in the comment section. So when you come back later, you will remember me, okay? And you will remember him, the Most High God, who always giving you a heads up and giving you a sign to let you know that your breakthrough is close. Your breakthrough is right there, right around the corner. But see, it ain't in God's hands no more. He already done gave it to you. It's up to you to receive it and to walk into it now by giving up the addictions. That's the deal that God has made with you right now. Do you take this deal? Somebody comment below and say, I want the deal. Okay? Because God watching at all times. He watching, he listening. Okay? So you want to make sure that you do exactly what you're supposed to do after this video if you was watching this video. Now, I always got something for you at the end, of course, for the people that want to take a little extra mile. Okay? The Chosen Ones Breaking Spells course. Okay, it's back open now. It's open. If you need that right now to help you break this addiction, get my Chosen Ones Breaking Spells course. All right, in the comment section below, it's going to be in the description section also. Because one thing you got to understand about these addictions, folks, like I said, we fighting not against flesh and blood. Okay, this is dark spiritual forces and principalities and wickedness. Okay, this stuff is tough, but ain't nothing bigger than God. Ain't nothing that God can't handle. So it's kind of like you up under a curse, but we're not gonna call it a curse, okay? You facing a test, okay? It feels like a spell, but you can get out of it, okay? Make sure you get my Chosen Ones and Breaking Spells course below. You're gonna get some more good content that's not on my channel about this same topic about breaking spells if you need it. If you want to book a session with me like the young man did who told me his situation, and I was able to talk to him and give him some understanding and clarity on his situation, I guarantee you'll be free like he was. Because I know after talking to me, I guarantee you he ain't did his addiction no more. I guarantee you. So speak up, let your voice be heard. Give this video a thumbs up if it resonated with your soul and vibrated with your spirit. Also, make sure you share this video with somebody who you consider chosen or you consider somebody special in your life. Just share this video on your social media. Okay, it's your big brother Tren, man. God said if you break the addictions, you will receive your major breakthrough even after this video. Peace.